After my last reel about the rampant trend of illegal drug claims in beauty, where I spotlighted hyperpigmentation claims as an example, I got some pushback, also some great questions, so I'm back for part two. In my latest podcast, I did a regulatory 101 with Meredith Patillo. Relevant to this topic, here were some takeaways. From a US regulatory point of view, there are two main buckets of topical formulated products: cosmetics and drugs. A cosmetic is something that is meant to clean the skin, hair, beautify, alter the appearance. It's not supposed to do something. When we talk about doing something, that's when we get into the statutory definition of drugs. Drugs are intended to diagnose, cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent disease, or to affect the structure or function of the body. There is overlap. Think sunscreens, anti-dandruff shampoos, antiperspirants. These can be both cosmetics and drugs. Disclaimer: treating hyperpigmentation is something the US FDA looks at as a drug claim. Other markets don't always share this view, and it's a brand's responsibility to understand the rules in the places they sell their products. If your product claims to change the skin, like reducing melanin over time, that's structure function, which means drug territory. Some people think you can dodge this by clever wordsmithing, but that's not how claims laws work. Regulators look at what brands express and imply. If a reasonable consumer is likely to believe your product has a drug-like benefit, there's a good chance it's a drug claim. The exact words aren't the end all. It's about the overall impression. Yes, some cosmetic ingredients can do things, like we know retinol can impact collagen production, but cosmetics cannot claim this, even if they have proof, unless they want to follow drug rules with either an OTC monograph or filing a new drug application. These rules are there to protect consumers from snake oil and unapproved new drugs. If it's illegal, why are there so many drug claims out there? You can't legislate noncompliance away. Meredith gave a really great analogy for this with speed limits on roads. You can go faster, but you're breaking the law. Just because you didn't get caught doesn't mean it's legal, or that you didn't present a safety risk for the people around you. There's so much to unpack with the topic of claims, in addition to all the other things brands need to know from a regulatory standpoint. I think my latest podcast gave a really good groundwork on the different things people need to know about. If you want to understand more about regulations, including about what was just covered, be sure to tune in to my latest episode.